going on, YouTube? Nova Dollar Investments. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video, so my apologies for that. I just wanted to jump on here since I have a little bit of time and update you all on how the portfolio is doing, how this M1 portfolio is going. One thing you're going to see this time around is that I went ahead and trimmed a lot of the investment vehicles that I was in the last time I was on here. So you can see the portfolio is more lean, and I've allocated more funds towards VU and SCHG, not SCHD, because like as I said before, I'm more of a fan of SCHG since I'm trying to look for more growth as opposed to looking for dividends right now, based on how small this portfolio is. I'm not knocking SCHD. If you have the wealth to invest in it to collect those dividends and let them grow over time, and more power to you. But the goal for this portfolio is to try to get it to grow, right? So while I respect SCHG, to me, like I said, to me, right, for me, is more, I guess, relevant to what we're trying to do with this portfolio. So, without further discussion, let's take a look at how this portfolio has performed over time. So so today, right now, we're down $23 on the portfolio, down 0.12%. While we're here, let's go down and take a look at what's in the portfolio right now, right? So we're holding on to Misty. I mean, why not? Yes, Mr. would probably be more appropriate based on the growth for this portfolio, but Misty has been growing faster than the S&P 500 in most since inception currently. If you don't believe me, go ahead and check, see what I'm talking about. So if you take a look at Misty, right, and we're gonna bump it against S&P 500. If you take a look, so as you can see over time, total return is killing the S&P 500. We're talking about dividends and growth, right? And then if you look down further here, without reinvesting the dividends, still outperforming the S&P 500 by a wide margin. Now, will that continue? Who knows, right? Who knows what the future holds? But for right now, I can't refrain myself from not investing in this thing because performance is doing what it's doing currently, right? We don't know. History might say, you know what, S&P 500 might revert, and S&P 500 might catch up to it and surpass it. Who knows? But for now, it's showing me what it's showing me, and I'm gonna keep riding with it. So, yes, it probably would have been better to invest in Mister, right? Because if you look at Mister versus Misty, you'll see that Mister is far and beyond outperforming Misty, right, by double pretty much, right? So if I took the same 10,000 and threw it into Mister as opposed to throwing it into Misty, we'll be at 60%, and that's with reinvesting dividends, right? Obviously, Mister does not pay a dividend currently, and Misty is a dividend covered call ETF, right? And then as you can see down here, still outperforming Misty. So yes, based on what we're trying to do with the portfolio, it probably would have been better to reinvest in Mister. However, I don't like investing in vehicles that do not pay a dividend. So I chose Misty over Mister for that. So hey, it might be to me. I have no regrets, but you guys might differ in opinions. That's fine. Uh, just tell me what you guys think in the comments. Let's move on. UNH is in here as well. Really like UNH. Cintas, really solid company there. There you can see SCHD. As I said, SCHD and VU takes up a bulk of the portfolio's funding, but let's keep going. Maine, right? My favorite dividend stock, Maine there, which is a BDC, right? I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna go over what a BDC is. Just look it up. VU, right? YMAG is in here, right? Another YieldMax cover call ETF. Visa, Nvidia, semiconductors, exposure, TSM, another AVGL, more semi, and then finally, last but not least, Coney, which has of late been doing excellent stuff as far as for this portfolio. Today's down 3%, but never mind that. For the week, though, the portfolio is up 1%, and that's 123 bucks. For the month, we're up $892. That's points. That's 6%. For the last 3 months, for the quarter, we're up 1,600, 12%. Year to date, we're up 2,025%. Now, the reason why this number looks off is because remember, we talk about year to date, right? And look, you see, we took out some money here, and brought the portfolio down. So we're up. We were previously up to 19,000. We took out around 10K there for a different investment that we were trying to jump into. And then so we went ahead and started building the portfolio back up to the 20K that it's at right now. A lot of it has been deposits, and also a lot of, and then some of it also is based on the portfolio's performance, as you can see. So as you can see, January, you see how much we're getting paid there. February, March, April, right? May, June, July, August, September. As you can see, we're going up in how much we're getting per month. And then right now we're sitting at $313 for the month of November is what we're going to be receiving. And then next month, slightly down a little bit, although that might go up based on contributions that we're going to have that we're going to input into the portfolio. So that number is going to go up. So right now we're sitting at $300 a month that we're doing on this portfolio right now, and that's large. That's a large in part to Misty and Coney doing the bulk of the lifting as that's concerned, and then with Maine there chipping in as well. Take a look at the next 12 months. Obviously, these numbers are going to change over the next 12 months because we're going to have more deposits, more growth, and so on, which is going to in turn increase how much money we're making a month on this portfolio, right? So, see, we're sitting pretty. $300 a month. That's a phone bill, right, per month, or maybe a steak, right? A steak dinner at the Bellagio in Vegas or something like that. Who knows? But it's pretty decent change there to pay some type of monthly bill. And then you can see how it's gonna what's going on as far as the outlook for the next 12 months, as far as how the dividends are gonna concern. Hopefully, Misty and Coney continues to do what it's doing, uh, and so on and so forth. However, if not, hopefully the dividends, right, the yield stays the way it is right now, so we can continue to collect these monthly dividends as we go along. But like I said, these numbers are going to be higher, obviously, right? Because 12 months from now, I'm thinking the portfolio is going to double, might maybe triple. Who knows, right? That'll be great. But we're also gonna add more funds to the portfolio over time to bring these monthly income numbers up. But hey, we're still going strong. I just wanted to jump on and do an update video because I haven't done one in a long time, and I didn't want you all to feel that we just totally just abandoned the project and disappeared. Look, we're in it for the long haul. I might not be able to get on here every week to update you all on what's going on, but rest assured we're still moving and kicking on our way to 100K, right, and beyond. But till next time, I'm leaving. Drop a comment, like the video, and let's have some discussion on what you guys think about the portfolio. Hey, have a good one. Take care. Goodbye.